How to change FPL team name. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Fantasy Premier League account. You can launch your account in the web version or also you can use the apps. For this video, I'm going to use the browser version. You can launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Fantasy Premier League. Once you're in the website, log into your account. You will enter this kind of interface. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Pick Team. So here you're going to find your current team name. Now how to change it? For that, scroll all the way down. At the right corner, you're going to find different options. Under admin, you'll find the option of team details. Click on that option. Now from here, you can easily change your team details. So you can clear up your old name and then type a new name for your team. Likewise, you can also customize the team kit. And once you customize all the details, scroll all the way down and then click on the option of update details, and with that your name will be changed. So this way you can easily change FPL team name. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.